Good morning student. Today we will discuss about the quadratic equation. Last day I already discussed about the nature of the roots, that is d equal to b square minus 4ac equal to 0, b square minus 4ac greater than 0, b square minus 4ac less than 0. In the last class we told about these roots. So today we will learn about how to solve the equation. So equation we can solve by two methods. First one is your what? Factorization, or you can say that splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term. So how you do this one? First, let's start with the example. I written here x square plus 5x plus 6. How can you find out the two roots? So here x square is there, 5x and 6. You see here a equal to how much? 1, b equal to 5, c equal to 6. So you think first what two number when you add you will get as the 5 as the what? Addition or subtraction. Think two number when you add or subtract you will get 5, and if you multiply that number you will get the value is equal to how much? 6 into 1, 6. Okay. So when you multiply the numbers you will get 6, but when you add the number you will get 5. So you take out the LCM of this one, 6, 2, 3, or you can say that prime factorization, 3, 1. So 2 into 3 equal to how much? 6. 2 plus 3 equal to how much? 5. So instead of this one, I will just write x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Okay. So what you have to do? First you take out the common of this one, x bracket x plus 3. Whatever the common you are getting, you just write simply x plus 3 here. If you know how to take out the common, you find out. Otherwise, what you got here, x plus 3 as the factor. So you write here x plus 3. What you have to multiply this number, you will get this 6. So I think 2. So I written here 2. So here plus written. What do you have to do here? Here also plus, because plus into plus equals to plus. So here I written plus. So from that, what you are getting? X plus 3 as the common. X plus 2 equals to 0. So what are the value you are getting? X plus 3 and x plus 2. And next what you have to write? X plus 3 equal to 0, x equals to minus 3. X plus 2 equals to 0, x equals to minus 2. Okay. Before that, listen again. First, what is given? X square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So think two number. When you add these two number, you will get as the 5. And addition or subtraction, whatever maybe you have to do, but here you have to get up to 5, and when you multiply the number you will get 6. So I taken out the LCM, 2 3s are 6, so 2 plus 3 equal to how much? 5. So I written here 3x plus 2x. Why I written plus here? Because here both the numbers are plus, so I written here plus. So x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. So I taken as the common x bracket x plus 3. Here also 2 common bracket x plus 3. Otherwise what you have to do? You are taking out the common of here. What you have written x plus 3. You just write this one x plus 3. What you have to multiply to get what you have to multiply this 3 to get 6 2. So 2 3s how much? 6. Otherwise you divide this one. 6 divided by 3 equal to how much? 2. You just write this one. Okay. So 2, so here x plus 3, here x plus 3, x plus 3 as the common, x plus 2. So x plus 3 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 3, x equal to minus 2. If I just changed here, I written here minus 5. What is written? Minus 5, but here written plus 6 only. So when you add the number, you will get how much? Minus 5 as the product. Let's say minus 5 as the addition or subtraction. But when you multiply the number, what you will get? Only 6. So what you have to do? First here minus is written, here plus is written. You know that when you multiply two negative number, you will get the resultant equals to plus. So here 6 is LCM I have taken 1, 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. I know that one, but here written minus 5. So what I have to do? First you change these symbols. What do you have to write here? Minus 3, minus 2. Clear? Minus 3 minus 2 how much? Minus 5. Yes or no? Next what you have to write? Here, like that you have to take the common. What? X bracket x minus 3 minus 2 bracket x minus 3 equal to 0. Yes or no? So you are getting x minus 3 here, here x minus 2, then here x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. Here x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. Or you have to write. Okay? Yes or no? So when I written here minus and plus. So when I written here minus 5, minus 5x, here written plus 6, then the numbers are coming what? 3 and 2. If I written here minus x and this one I written here minus 6. So when you multiply the number, what you have to get here? Minus 6. What? Minus 6 because near C you are having minus 6. So when you multiply the number, you will get minus 6. When you add or subtract the number, what you will get? My 1. What? Minus 1. What you will get? Minus 1. So what you have to do? If I taken the LCM 2 and 3, so 2 3 is how much? 6 only. So 3 to 2 minus equal to how much? 1. But here written minus. So 2 and 3, from 2 and 3, who has the highest value? 3 or 2? 3. So I have to write minus 3 and plus 2. What I have to write? Minus 3 plus 2. Then what is written here? Minus 6. You write minus 6 equals to 0. Then what I have taken? X is the common. Here written minus 3. But when you multiply minus 2 minus 3 equal to how much? Plus. So what you have to write here? Here you write plus. Clear? So this one plus means this one plus. X minus 3 equal to plus 3. Here x minus 2 not. Here x plus 2 equal to minus 2 will come. Again I want to tell you, listen. Here written x squared minus x minus 6. Here minus written. So you remember that here minus and here minus means both are the minus. Then you think one number is positive, another number is negative. So, and you must remember that the negative number must be greater than, because here minus x is written. So I have taken as the LCM 2 and 3. So 3 2 is equal to how much? 6. 3 2 is 6. So minus number, which one greater number here? 3. So minus 3x I written plus 2x minus 6. So I taken as the x bracket x minus 3. All the process like that only. If I told you here plus x and then minus 6. So which number? Next you think, when you add the numbers you will get plus 1. When you multiply the number you will get the minus 6. A into C equal to. So like that only. But here positive is there, here negative is there. You must remember that positive number is greater. So here coming 3 and 2, which one greater? 3. So what I have to write here? Plus 3. Yes or no? And minus 2x. Okay? Plus 3 minus 2x. So here common taken. So what do you have to write here? X plus 3. Yes or no? Here what you have to write? 2 bracket. But here minus 2 I have to write, because here I written plus. Okay? So here plus, here minus. So minus, here plus. Here plus, here minus. So what are the value? Minus 3 and 2. So I told you about how to factorize the equation. Next is what you are. Next, by using formula method. So what is the formula? So you know that the general equation equal to ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So I want to find out x. So I know the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, all divided by 2a. So here what? B is the coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of x square, c is the constant. So this one is the formula, and this one is known as the Sridharacharya formula. Sridharacharya's method. When you getting it about the when you know about the Sridharacharya's method, you will get this one also. So this one is the formula for the quadratic equation. So how can you solve? first I written here an example x square minus 3x minus 28 equals to 0. Okay. So a equal to how much? 1. B equal to how much? Minus 3. C equal to how much? Minus 28. So what the formula? X equals to minus b. Minus b means minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac equal to how much? B square equal to how much? Minus 3 square minus 4 into a equal to how much? 1. C equal to minus 28. Whole divided by 2 into 1 equals to minus 3 minus 1 is equal to how much? Plus 3. 3 plus or minus 3 square equal to how much? 9. Minus minus plus 28 into 4 equal to how much? 28 into 4 equals to 4 8s are 32, 2, 3, 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11 divided by 2. So what you got? 3 plus or minus 1 2 1 divided by 2. So how much? 3 plus or minus 11 divided by 2. So what you can write? 3 plus 11 divided by 2. 3 minus 11 divided by 2. So 3 plus 11 divided by 2 equal to how much? 14 divided by 2 equal to 7. Minus 8 divided by 2 equal to minus 4. Yes or no? 7 and minus 4 we're getting. So this one is the method by using what? Formula. But what he will ask in your exam. What he will ask in the exam? That is find out the roots of the equation up to 2 decimal places. Up to how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So what I have written here? X square minus 8x plus 5 I written here. What I have written? X square minus 8x minus 5. So here a equal to how much? A equal to 1, b equal to minus 8, c equal to 5. Okay. So first you find out. You can find out b square minus 4ac first. After that you can put b square equal to how much? Minus 8 square minus 4 into a equal to how much? 1. C equal to how much? 5. So 8 square equal to how much? 64 minus 20 equal to how much you are getting? 44. What you are getting? 44. Can you find out the root of the 44? So here what I written? X equals to, you know that, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus b means what? Minus of minus 8 plus or minus square root of 44, because I got the answer b square minus 4ac. So divided by 2 into 1. So 8 plus or minus square root of 44 divided by 2. So what is the value of 44? How can you get the value? He told you how much places? Up to 2 decimal places. How many places? Up to 2 decimal places. How can you do? First, you just write here 44. Make the bracket. Okay. Top. So here this one is a fail already. So you think 2 number. When you multiply the 2 number, you will get at least 44. Not more than 44. But the number must be same. Just like I written here, 6 how much? 36. 36 8. 14 6 equal to how much? 8. Yes or no? So 8 is there. You can't divide. But so what you have to do? First, here you write point. In the general cases, when you are writing point, you just write 1 0. But here we are taking square. So you have to write here double 0, square root. So you will write here to double 0. So this one is written. Next is what? This one is 6 is there. You just write what the number you are getting. 6 plus 6 equal to how much? 12. Bracket you write here. Here you blank. You don't know what number you have to put here to get this one. So what you have to do? You write here 1 2 dash into dash. What do you have to write? If I write 1 1, what do you have to write here? Here also same. So when I write 1 1, 121 coming. So this is much less than that of the 800. So I have to shift 2 2, again less coming, 3 3, less coming. So I know the value I written here 6. So 6 equal to how much? 6 I written here also 6. So 6 6 is how much? 36. 6 2 is 12 plus 3, 15. 6 1 is 6 plus 1, 7. How much you are getting? 756. Yes or no? So 756. Then 4. Next 9 5 equal to how much? 4. Yes or no? So 44 here written. Next I told you that point is there means you have to write how many 0? 1 0 in general case. But here what you have to write? 2 0 because you are taking the square roots. So what is the last number here? 6. You just add 6. How much you are getting? 132. You make it black, here black. So what I have to multiply here? I have to write here 3, here 3. Like that you have to do 1 3 2 dash dash 1 1. You write, you are getting 1 3 2 1 less. Then you write 2 2 2 2 is how much? 4, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2 less. Then you have to write here 3 3 3 3 is how much? 9, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. Nearly coming. So what you have to write? 3 9 6 9. 10 9 how much? 1. Subtract. 9 6 equal to how much? 3. Next 3 13 9 4 4 3 1 is coming. What you have to write here? Again 00. So like this process you have to do. I written here 6.633. So what you have to write here? 8 plus or minus 6.633 divided by 2. So 8 plus 6.633 divided by 2. 8 minus 6.633 divided by 2. You got how much you are getting? 14.633 divided by 2 equals to 7.316, or you can write 7.32. Up to 2 decimal I told. Like that you write 8 minus 6.633 equal to how much? You have to write 1.367 by 2. 1.367 by 2 equal to how much? 0.683 equal to, you can write 0.69. So 69 not. You have to write 68 only. Okay? Why? Because here 3. Last number you look here, 3 is there. If that one 5 or after 5 we are getting 6, 7, 8, then you can round up a 9 here. Okay? So how you are taking? This is the process of the quadratic equation by using formula. So I told 2 process. First is getting the middle term. Second one is your by using the formula. In the formula, first what I solve there I written directly, but here I written b square minus 4ac. You can do like this also. B square minus 4ac. I find out the b square minus 4ac. I know that 44 is coming. 44 means greater than 0. Greater than 0 means we can take out the roots. So I put out that value and I find out the roots and I got the answer. Here told how many places? Up to 2 places. I written here 7.316. 3 places I written. So here 6 is there. So I made it 2. Here 8. Here 3 is there. So I made it to 8 only. Why? Because after 5 or 5 is there, then you can made it 0. Sorry, increase the number only. Okay? Yes or no? So next, square minus 7x plus 2 equal to 0. A equal to 1, B equal to minus 7, C equal to 2. A equal to how much? 1, B equal to minus 7, C equal to 2. So I told you that find out b square minus 4ac so that you can know that roots are real or equal, not real or equal, imaginary root you can know. So b square equal to how much? Minus 7 square minus 4 into a equal to how much? 1, c equal to how much? 2. So 49 minus 8 equal to how much? 49 minus 8 equal to, you know that 30, how much? 41. How much? 41. Yes or no? But here, what you written? 7 square minus 4 into 1, 4 2 is 8, 49 minus 8 equal to 41. What you are getting here? 41. So 41 is greater than 0. Yes or no? 41 is greater than 0, so roots are real and equal. So what you have to do next? So write x minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, you write repeatedly this formula. Okay, yes or no? Next, minus of minus 7 plus or minus b square minus 4ac equal to how much? 41 you are getting. Okay, so 2 into 1 equal to how much? 7 plus or minus root over 41 divided by 2. So you have to find out 41 root over. How can you find out? Again I am writing here 41. Okay, so 41 means what you have to do? 6 6 36. 11 6 equal to how much? 5. Next we will get writing 00, you have to put here point. So 6 make it over, or you adjust that number. I got 1 2. 1 2 blank here. Here also I did blank. So I know the value. So can I write here 4 4 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 how much? 9. 4 1s are 4. 10 6 equal to how much? 4. Yes or no? How much getting? Yeah, 4. So what do you have to put here? 00 again. Next, here what do you have to write? Here 4 is there, so you add 4. So what do you write in? 128 blank. Here blank. Already written 00. 128. When I am putting 1 here, here also 1. So 1281 coming. That is much more greater than. So what do you have to write here? 0. You have to write here 0. So 0 equal to how much? 0. Then this one equal to how much? 400. Next, how many 0 you have to put? 00. So here 1280 blank. Here blank. Here 1280. So you have to write here 3. Here write 3. So what you are getting? 3 3s are 9, 0, 3 8s are 24, 3 12s are 36 plus 2, 38, 38409. So I written here up to 3 decimal. So can I write here 7 plus 6.403 divided by 2, 7 minus 6.403 divided by 2 equal to how much? Here I written here 13.403 divided by 2. Here I written here 0.597 by 2. So what the value? 13.403 divided by 2 equals to, can I write here 6.7015, or can I write here 6.7? Yes or no? Because up to 2 decimal places he told. So 70 are coming here, 1 is there. So 1 means you can't change. After 5 you can change. So here what is written? 0.597 divided by 2. 0.597 divided by 2 equal to how much? 0.298 you are getting. 85 I written up to that much. So 0. Here 8 is there. 8 means this one you increase. 1 you increase means what you are getting? 0.30, or you can write 0.3. So what you are getting? 6.7 and 0.3. This one is about your quadratic equation using formula and using splitting the middle term. So rest you have to do. Okay, thank you for the